What is up guys, in this video I will show you an easy way on how to install Windows 7 drivers. As you can see, it's not connected to the internet, so we must check if the network adapter driver is installed. We can check it by searching Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager, and as you can see, the Ethernet controller driver is missing, so we will be downloading its driver first. We can do it by right-clicking the network adapter, which is the Ethernet controller, Properties, then click the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the drop-down list, and copy the first value in the text box or copy it in a piece of paper or somewhere, because we will be using another computer or phone that has an internet connection. So the next step is using the computer or the phone that has internet connection. In this time, we will use a computer to download it. Open your browser, paste or type in the value that you've copied, and search for it. Then you must see a result which came from the driveridentifier.com. Click it and you should see a list of drivers, and that is your network adapter drivers. Then download the driver that is compatible with your operating system. You can check it by pressing Windows plus R in the keyboard and then type DXDIAG and hit enter. A window will pop up. Then you should see an operating system in the list and check the version of your Windows. In this case, I have a Windows 7 64-bit, so I need to download the 64-bit driver. And then click this download button and it will tell you to sign up in their website. Either sign up with a Google or Facebook account. Once you have finished signing up, search the value you copied earlier and open again. Download the compatible driver for your operating system. And then click this option 1. In this case, I've already downloaded the driver. Once the driver is finished downloading, open it and extract it to desktop. And then transfer the file to the computer that you will install the driver. Place the extracted file in the desktop and open Device Manager. Right-click the network adapter that is missing the driver and click Update Driver Software. Then click Browse My Computer for Drivers Software. Locate the file in the desktop and click Next. Then you should see that the driver software is now installing. And that's it. Computer detects the network adapter and now you can browse the internet. Now we will be installing the other missing drivers or update current drivers of our computer. Open your browser, search for Driver Pack Solution. Open the link and click Install all required drivers to download the software. Once it's done, open the software and wait for the loading. Then, click Expert Mode. In this case, I will not installing software, but you can download it if you want. Go back to the Drivers tab and put a check in the Most Required Drivers to install all the missing drivers or update the current drivers of your computer. And I will not be installing driver toolkits, but again, you can install it if you want, then click Install All. It may take a few minutes or an hour depending on your internet connection. After this, you will see a pop-up like this, and it means that the drivers are finished downloading and installing. Click Reboot, and that's it. That's how you install drivers. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helps you, and make sure to subscribe in this channel and hit the notification bell for another tutorials. See you in the next video.